pamenepo ndikuti akubwera ndi omwe aja Deputy Chief Justice amene akhale akulumbiritsa mchithunzi mutha kuona ndithu kulowa kumeneko mnyumba ino ya malamulo Deputy Chief Justice Lovemore Chikopa ndithu kubwera kuti adzalumbiritse sipikala wa nyumba ya malamulo ino. Tikuona Sergeant at Arms msilikali yemwe amathandiza ndithu kukhazikitsa bata muno komanso kusogolera zina nde kumeneku ndikufika kwawo Deputy Chief Justice wachiwiri kwa mkulu wa mabwalo mdziko muno Lovemore Chikopa kufika malo ano. Tikhale tikutsatira zonse bwino lomwe kuti ziyende motani kumbali ya malumbiritso komanso kuti kodi apa ayendetseno nyumba ino ya malamulo nda sipikala omwe awalumbiritsewo kuti achiwiri awo komanso achiwiri kwa achiwiri nawonso asankhidwe nyumba ino ya malamulo.
General business, item B, administration of oath of the office of the Speaker-elect. The Speaker-elect is escorted, should be escorted to the table by the proposer and seconder to take oath before the office, before the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice.
Honorable members, I wish to inform the House that Standing Order 28 requires that the Speaker-elect must take and subscribe to the oath of office before the Chief Justice before assuming duties of his or her office. This means that, honorable members, the Speaker who has just been elected will take oath of office before His Lordship, the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice, His Lordship Lovemore Chikopa, Senior Counsel. At this point, let me welcome His Lordship, the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice, His Lordship Lovemore Chikopa, SC, to this chamber. The House may wish to note that the procedure for swearing in of Speaker-elect is generally similar to the one for swearing in of members of Parliament-elect. The procedure is as follows. 1. The Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice will be assisted by the Chief Registrar of the High Court and the Supreme Court of Appeal. 2. I will call the name of the Speaker-elect to come forward to take the oath at the table. 3. The proposer and seconder of the motion will conduct the Speaker-elect to the table for him to take oath before the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice. Just before walking up the steps close to the clerk's table, the Honorable Speaker-elect will bow to pay respect to the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice. 5. Upon reaching the clerk's table, the Chief Registrar will ask the Speaker-elect whether he would like to swear by either the Holy Bible, the Holy Quran, or make an affirmation. 6. The Chief Registrar will then ask the Speaker-elect to hold the Bible or the Quran, as the case may be, on his right hand and subscribe to the oath. 7. If the Speaker-elect opts to make an affirmation, then he will just raise his right hand. 8. After taking the oath, the Speaker-elect will sign in the oath book before the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice. 9. After signing the oath book, the Speaker-elect will walk backwards while facing the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice, up to the clerk's table, where he will bow as the case is. 10. After taking the oath, the Speaker will now temporarily take a seat allocated beside the Speaker's chair. The Honorable, the Chief Justice, the Deputy Chief Justice, will then leave the chamber through the back door led by the Sergeant at Arms. Honorable members, let me now call upon the proposer and the seconder to escort the Speaker-elect to the table to take the oath before the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice.
Welcome, Honorable Speaker-elect. Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran, Holy Bible, or do an affirmation? Thank you.
Ay, alipang sigara ako.
Honorable Speaker-elect, you have to take oath of office, and you repeat after me. I,
Samir Kafar Suleman,
swear that
I will well
and truly serve the Republic of Malawi
and truly serve the Republic of Malawi
in the office
of
Speaker of National Assembly,
Speaker of the National Assembly,
and will do right and justice to all manner of people in accordance with the laws and usages of Malawi, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me Allah. Thank you.
kukalowa akhale akutuluka mchemba muno kuzera khomo lakuseli komweko pamenepa ndithu atuluka ndithu onse apita ndi onse amene anabwera nawo pamene paja. Tsopano zikuonesa kuti Suleman ndi amene ali ndithu mtsogoleri wa nyumba imeneyi kuzera izi zothawuza kuti zadusa ku malamulo onse amene zimene akukhalira. Sekretary nyumba ino amayi Fiona akatenga Suleman kukakhazika pa mpando umene wina aliyense munaukuwa kupereka ulemu pamene paja otolesa zithunzi pa mpando pamene pamakhala mtsogoleri kamatiti speaker wa nyumba ino, mpando oonesa kuti ayi ukuwakhala pamene paja akuwafotokozera mmene zimachitikira pa mpando pamene paja, akuwafotokozera zida zonse zili pa mpando pamene paja, kuli zokhomakhoma pamene paja, kuli mabuku pamene paja, kuli mapepala, microphone pamene paja, kwauza zonse mmene zimagwirira ntchito nyumba imeneyi pamene paja akuzayisa kuti akhome.
Honourable members, in accordance with the tradition of this House, I rise to submit myself to the will of the Assembly. I will now suspend the proceedings for a few minutes to allow me to robe. Let me request you, honourable members, to remain seated and until I'm back in the chamber. House suspended.